that dissipated.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for west central Tuscaloosa County, southeastern Pickens County, north central Greene County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Union, or 11 miles north of Utah, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Coker, Union, Mantua, Gina, Lake Lillian State Park, Snotty, Buell, Pierce-Patton Bridge, Pioneer, Achola, Romulus, Elrod, and Lake Tuscaloosa. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Greene, Pickens, and Tuscaloosa.
Does not